I've been using U by Kotex for a long time, but the fitness ones are new, so I was pretty amped about these.
So the first thing we have are the U by Kotex Fitness Compact Tampons.
They're absorbent, comfortable, and effective at managing leaks. And another great thing about this package, it actually comes with a fit pack.
I could fit 3 in there, so it's cute because it's not very obvious branding.
Once you pack up the tampons in there, no one will even know that that's what they are.
I can just throw them in my small pouch on my bike.
They also have the Kotex Fitness Ultra Thin Pads that are designed to stay in place so you don't have to, you can remain really active.
So it makes working out super comfortable and less awkward while you're on your period.
So they have these U by Kotex Fitness Liners.
One of the great things about the panty liners, they have a dual flex zone that moves with you to provide protection.
But what I found with these is that I'm able to be as mobile as I need to be, obviously when I'm doing my squats, deadlifts, any of that stuff that just involves getting into a kind of a different awkward position for your body during that time of month. I found that these were awesome for that.
I really recommend this. They're perfect for anyone that's active or even not even active that just are always on the go.
Seriously, always dreaded working out while I'm on my period, but these new products have definitely made it a lot easier.
I'm thoroughly impressed. I wouldn't be talking about it if I didn't love it.